Today's videos, we share with you absolute top of the 3 best 4K 1080 pixels camera drones, that you can buy right now in 2019 in good rates and most outstanding video quality.
You can find all the links to the products that are mentioned in this video right in the description. Let's start the video without wasting time. In number 3 we have the best compact-sized professional drone from DJI, the new Mavic 2 Pro.
At DJI, true innovation is seeing the bigger picture. Every iteration is the culmination of all that we do to bring you the very best. Here's everything you've been waiting for and beyond. This is Mavic 2. The aircraft comes in 2 new editions, Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. Both cameras utilize DJI's latest 3-axis gimbal technology, ensuring smooth, stable footage in any situation. Mavic 2 Pro commands a powerful 1-inch sensor, offering you greater image quality with superior light and color performance. Co-engineered with Hasselblad, the new camera houses an adjustable aperture lens for more control over your lighting environment. Captures stunning aerial photos at 20 megapixels with extreme detail. Mavic 2 Pro supports a 10-bit D-Log M color profile that yields higher dynamic range for more flexibility in the grading room. Mavic 2 Zoom is all about dynamic perspective. With a 2x optical zoom lens, it offers greater safety, efficiency, and more creative opportunities. The 48mm focal length compresses your perspective, enhancing the parallax effect for a classic cinematic look. You're able to punch in quickly for a tighter shot, even from 100 meters away, keeping a safe distance from your subject. Don't be fooled by its size. Mavic 2's zoom lens is powerful, constantly adjusting to your commands for seamless zoom control and autofocus tracking. This keeps your subject clear while you focus on framing. Mavic 2 Zoom gives you access to dolly zoom for an otherworldly warped perspective. Both editions record 4K video with an advanced H.265 compression, so your images retain even more detail. Speed things up in a dynamic aerial hyperlapse with a simple tap of a button. 4 different modes give you a variety of shots for any time-lapse situation. Mavic 2 also supports enhanced HDR photo, an improved technique that blends a sequence of photos for greater dynamic range and image clarity. It wouldn't be a Mavic if it couldn't go with you anywhere, anytime. We kept that same foldable design and tweaked a few things that make a world of difference. After countless hours of research and testing, Mavic 2's refined chassis and low-noise propellers make it DJI's most advanced aerodynamic aircraft to date. These subtle yet powerful improvements give you a smoother, quieter flight for greater discretion when the situation requires. Mavic 2 extends your creative potential with up to 31 minutes of flight time and a max speed of 72 kilometers per hour in sport mode. The all-new OcuSync 2.0 provides a 1080p transmission signal up to 8 kilometers, so you can edit full HD footage directly from the cache on your mobile device. 2.4 to 5.8 gigahertz auto switching offers better performance in environments with busy signal interference. For the first time in a DJI drone, Mavic 2 boasts obstacle sensors on all sides of the aircraft. Its digital nervous system continually transmits data to a new, more powerful central processor. The aircraft analyzes every inch of its surroundings to move around obstacles without stopping, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot. When you have a need for tracking at high speeds, stay fully immersed in the action with ActiveTrack 2.0. Aided by its vision systems, Mavic 2 maps a 3D view of the environment for greater accuracy in tracking up to 72 kilometers per hour. Trajectory prediction algorithms also help to maintain course when your subject is blocked by an obstruction. DJI goggles users can enjoy an enhanced experience with a clearer video feed and lower latency. When it comes to portability or quality, small details or the big picture, Your vision or reality? Mavic 2 brings the best of both worlds. So you can explore the outer reaches of your imagination and create content that truly feels out of this world.
In number 2, we recommend you the best professional grade from DJI, the Phantom 4 Pro V 2.0.
What do you need for incredible aerial imaging? A brilliant camera, an aircraft you can trust, and the intelligence to make every shot cinematic. The new Phantom 4 Pro has all this and much more. The Phantom 4 Pro camera has an f2.8 aperture, mechanical shutter, and large 1-inch sensor, coming together to make brighter, more detailed imagery. Record cinematic 4K video at higher bit rates with more advanced compression and a wider dynamic range. 4K 60 frames per second recording gives you stunning, detailed, slow-motion aerial video. The Phantom 4 Pro is as adept at stills as it is with video, capturing every detail at 20 megapixels. Its mechanical shutter eliminates rolling shutter bending. Grab the perfect moment using burst mode. All of this makes the Phantom 4 Pro the most advanced aerial camera ever found in the Phantom series.
The Phantom 4 Pro is now a huge step forward. I'm taking photos of the lava when it's darker out and the glow of the lava is coming off of it. The image sensor that's in this camera now is 1-inch sensor, 20 megapixels. That extra dynamic range allows me to really get everything into one shot, and in the landscape, that's extremely important.
See your shot clearly, even in direct sunlight, with the new ultra-bright 5.5-inch monitor that's more than twice as bright as most tablets.
The built-in monitor on the Phantom 4 Pro is so bright. I'm actually able to see in direct sunlight, and that's really allowing me to compose my shot and get what I really want to capture.
Active Track has now been expanded with 3 new intelligent flight modes. Profile tracks your subject horizontally from any side. Spotlight locks the camera on a subject while you fly in almost any direction. Circle swings 360 degrees around the subject. Tap Fly has also been improved, adding reverse tap fly, making it perfect for aerial selfies. Flying the Phantom 4 Pro is even more worry-free. A set of rear visual sensors has been added to existing forward and downward sensors. Combined with new infrared obstacle sensors on its sides, the Phantom 4 Pro has 5 directions of sensing. If image signal is lost, it returns home while dynamically avoiding obstacles, and even flies back along its original flight path until signal is regained. Every minute in the air counts. The new high-capacity battery flight time has been increased to 30 minutes. When it comes to speed, the Phantom 4 Pro is 10 miles per hour faster with full support of its obstacle sensing systems. With its stunning camera, 1-inch sensor, ultra-bright monitor, obstacle sensing, and intelligence, the Phantom 4 Pro brings professional quality aerial imaging and flight capabilities to more pilots around the world.
In number 1, we have one of the best filmmakers drones that you can buy from DJI, the DJI Inspire 2.
Deep passion passion for uncompromised image quality is the simple philosophy behind the Zenmuse X7. Together with the Inspire 2, it marks the next evolution in DJI's aerial imaging technology. The Inspire 2 has become a standard aerial platform used on film sets around the globe. The new Zenmuse X7 transforms it into the world's first fully integrated aerial platform, featuring a Super 35mm sensor for video recording. The X7 offers video resolution of up to 6K. The high resolution not only provides incredible detail, but also allows reframing. The RAW and ProRes codecs integrate seamlessly into industry-standard post-production workflows. 14 stops of dynamic range enhance grading flexibility by preserving detail in shadow and highlight areas. The large sensor also enables filming with a cinematic shallow depth of field and low image noise. An ISO range of 100 to 25,600 makes it suitable for use in all lighting situations. The new DJI Cinema color system consists of two parts: an updated D-log curve for extended dynamic range and a D-gamut RGB color space for preserving maximum color information.
When I first took a look at this X7 footage, it really has a color fidelity there. So the dynamic range of colors that it can reproduce, and I can push the grades around pretty hard, and I still don't get noise with this camera.
The superb picture quality of the Zenmuse X7 is an asset on every film set. A new EI mode makes it easy to match with different cameras used for TV series, commercials and documentaries, as well as for feature films. DJI also proudly introduces the world's first aerial lens mount system, the DL mount. The ultra-short flange distance allows a compact lens design. DJI offers 4 prime lenses specifically built for the X7, with focal lengths of 16, 24, 35 and 50 millimeters. Made with carbon fiber, they're lightweight and durable. The advanced optical elements deliver brilliant image quality. The X7 also captures stunning DNG RAW or JPEG still pictures with a resolution of 24 megapixels. With its sturdy build, the X7 was made for professional cinematography and ambitious aerial stills photographers. It replaces large and difficult-to-use aerial solutions even on high-end film productions.
When I think of the X7, I just think of just the endless amount of possibilities that cinematographers and directors can craft their movie with shots that they may not have even thought was possible before.
The Zenmuse X7 is a top-of-the-line professional filmmaking tool, making it possible for creators to focus on capturing their unique vision of the world. A world that now looks better than ever before.